we say to our viewers, honey? We are back. We are back for good. We are back. Yes, we are back. I'm back from my trip. It was a long trip. It was a long trip. It wasn't a fun trip. It wasn't a vacation trip. Like I was saying, my trip was that I went to visit my father. Unfortunately, is very ill. But today's not about sad things or sad moments trip, because there was a lot of other stuff. A lot of cool things happened, climate, but today, I'm here today so we can talk about, the skin. The skin. The skin. Do you want to know? Great tip. Amazing tip. An incredible tip. You'd have an amazing skin to open your pores. We're going to open the pores in a natural, you ready, Monty? In a natural way. And I'm not kidding. I have very, very dry skin, sensitive skin. My skin is difficult to apply products, not easy to apply products. I get allergies. I even had an allergy from the sun. Can you believe that? It's crazy, but it's true. I was okay, that's another story. Let's get back to the skin. So what happened with me was, while I was in South America, climate is very, very humid. It's a tropical country, so it's very humid. In a way, it's good. In a way, it was bad. It was very bad for my hair. You know the story about my hair. I have problems with hair. Not problems, but I'm a hair freak. But that's another video, and I'll let you know what I did. So this time, what happened was my skin, I took about a pound worth of makeup. Yeah, makeup. All about makeup. How silly was I? I didn't need all that makeup. I really did not need all that makeup at all. The sun, I have to hold his hands. Okay, so the sun was my makeup. I had this amazing opportunity to be by the beach, one day to the beach, to be honest, but like a pool side, so I could stay in the sun. And I walked in the sun. I went to the store by foot. I was walking all over the places because everything was near. So while I was walking, I was sweating. I was sweating like crazy. It was crazy, my sweat. But then after the third day, it took me 3 days to find this out. But after that, I would come home and I would feel like my skin was cleaning. My skin was feeling different with all that sweating. I was sweating, and then I decided to do the test. So I would go out, I'd go for a stroll or whatever, sweat like hell, come back, I would wash my face, and that was it. I felt such an amazing difference. No foundation, no makeup, blushes or cream, just the moisturizer. I would wash my face and moisturize, and that was it. So, you want to open your pores? Do you want to have a beautiful skin, a healthy glow, and a healthy skin? Sweat, sweat, and sweat. That's it. Sweat is the perfect, best medicine. Cream, skincare, fancy, whatever. You don't have to go fancy. Just go for a natural sweat. Go outside, walk, stay in the sun, sweat. Yeah, sweat, sweat, and sweat. You're going to do your skin a favor. You're going to do your whole body a favor. I came back home. I am not kidding. I'm not kidding. I felt my skin so amazing, so clean, without a cream, without spending any money whatsoever on these creams. And I threw every single cleaning cream away. I swear it. Cleaning. So, when you go to a tropical, humid country, no makeup. Do your skin a favor. No makeup. No makeup. lip gloss maybe, and mascara just to look cute. Put on a nice clothes, put on some colorful clothing, go to the sun, you know, from 8 to 10. The most, 8 to 10. The most, from 10 forward, upward, you're doing harm to your skin. 8 to 10 in the morning. That is it. It's when all the babies go to the sun. Yeah, all the babies go from 8 to 10. Creams, no makeup, no foundation, no heavy stuff on your skin. And you are going to be surprised. The sweat, natural sweating, that's your friend. We are back. I am back. And we are back for, so many wonderful things I'm going to show you. I'm going to teach you, not teach you, hacks, life hacks. We're in the spring. We're heading up to summer. But I have so many amazing stuff. I've got Monty back, my little baby here, and he doesn't show up. I guess Monty's a little bit upset because Mommy was away and he's not getting paid, but that's another story. We are back. I'm back. And thank you so much for my wonderful viewers that supported me throughout this trip. And we are back, and I am back for more. So let's do some more stuff. Talk about hair. We're going to talk about curls. We're going to talk about frizz. We're going to talk about making your own nail polishes. Oh my gosh, I have stuff to talk about.